Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio, water sign. This is January bi-weekly reading and this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa and take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you Scorpio and what's going on. Two cards. Messages for Scorpio. Nine of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Judgment. Hangman, King of Swords, Two of Swords. What's going on? Lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Under the deck, Two of Wands. Definitely you are thinking something about a lot or someone a lot. Yeah. And the person involved in this connection could be, you both are in, could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Okay. Definitely you are thinking about something or someone a lot. So let's see your reading, Scorpio. So in recent past, Nine of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Judgment. Yeah, if you are in separation, you are missing someone and thinking about them a lot because you invested a lot on that connection, because Seven of Pentacles with Nine of Swords. Yeah, you already made some decision regarding this connection. For some, if not, you are going to be, because the Judgment is here. Definitely some decision making. Yeah, you missing someone a lot. For some, in career wise, you invested money in something and waiting for the result. Okay, maybe you are waiting for your person to come back, like that for some. So let's see what's going on. Two of Swords, the Hangman and King of Swords. Definitely you cut someone off, maybe your person, because there is no equal give and take. Maybe your person in and out of your life. Yeah, it causes lot of resistance in the connection, and maybe they are giving false hope to you. Whatever, Scorpio, you cut them off because King of Swords and Justice is here. Definitely you stand by your power. You overcome this anxiety, this depression type of energy. Two of Swords. Maybe right now still you are in juggling. You don't know which decision you have to make. But in future, Ace of Swords, Justice with Temperance. Yeah, you achieved balance. You are very grounded right now. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius, fire sign. Yeah, Ace of Swords with Justice. Definitely truth coming out. Someone wants to communicate with you, some communication is coming and you cut them off because you deserve best, you deserve love, because there is, maybe they cheated on you, they lied to you, maybe for some it could be third party situation. Yeah, you overcome this pain, now you achieved balance and you are very grounded right now, Scorpio. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. Under the deck, Six of Pentacles. Yeah, maybe there is no equal give and take in this connection. Now your person want to offer equal give and take. So let's see. First we will see your person current feelings towards you, Scorpio. Yeah, maybe your person is also at some crossroads. Under the deck, Four of Pentacles. Maybe they are not expressing their feelings to you. Maybe they have feelings inner side but not expressing. Now they are going to be, because Four of Pentacles in straight. Yeah, Queen of Pentacles, they are ready to share their feelings with you. They are ready to share their love with you, because Queen of Pentacles is very sharing and caring. Maybe for some they are thinking that you are very caring and giving person. Okay, and Two of Pentacles, still they are juggling, but they're going to be offer stability to this connection. They're thinking about King of Pentacles. Their confusion going to be end in near future, because King of Pentacles, yeah, maybe they're juggling between head over their heart. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of earth energy. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Scorpio. Your person near future actions towards you. Ten of Wands, Scorpio, Death. The person involved in this connection could be Scorpio. And Six of Swords, Five of Pentacles. Definitely they are suffering in silence. They are missing you so much, Scorpio. Yeah, you are in separation for some. I think they want to fix the things between both of you because you cut them off. Maybe for some you decided to move on from this person. They are coming back. They want to fix the things between both of you. Six of Swords. Communication is coming. And Scorpio, the person, maybe your person right now undergoing some transformation. Ten of Wands. Yeah. They are feeling overburdened. It could be any reason due to work pressure, family responsibilities, or due to this relationship. Yeah. But they really want to fix the things between both of you because they are missing you so much. They're suffering in silence. Yeah, some communication. You can expect some unexpected communication from your person, and the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Scorpio, it's your card. So outcome, communication, judgment. Yes, some major decisions, and the person involved in this connection could be Leo also. Yeah, they're getting the strength back and coming towards you. Yeah, they're going to be choose you. Their confusion is going to be, and some clarity and communication is coming. They're going to be choose you, some decision making, judgment. But you are not talking to them right now. There is no contact. Yes, commitment is coming in your way. And under the deck, the World. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or state. For some, the same cycles are repeating between you and your person again and again. So what I'm getting here, definitely there is no contact situation between right now you and your person. But they're going to be choose you. Some communication is coming in your way. And yeah, commitment. For some, this relationship is going to be next level if you let them in. Yeah, because some communication is coming. You are also undergoing some meditation state. Maybe you both are not talking with each other right now. In near future, definitely there will be some communication is going to be happen. Yeah, because King of Swords. For some, you decided to move on from this person. Scorpio, so take what resonates and leave the rest. But Hierophant is here. Definitely commitment is coming in your way. Lot of air energy, guys, here. So let's see your overall energy. Scorpio. Yeah, apology, communication, spying, communication, love, King of Cups, and Six of Swords. Yeah, maybe you decided to move on from this person, and yeah, but they're coming back with love offer and they're spying on you. Some apology, message, communication is coming. I think communication is the key here, guys. So let's see your person overall energy. Again, apology, communication, Page of Pentacles. They see you as an empress. They're ready to offer stability. Maybe they're obsessed with you. Definitely the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn also. There is obsession. That's why they are not willing to move on from you, because they are obsessed with you. The Capricorn energy. Yeah, again, Six of Pentacles. They're ready to offer equal give and take. Maybe in past there is no equal give and take between both of you. But now your person really want to offer equal give and take. And apology is also coming in your way. Scorpio. So let's see some message from Moon Oracle deck for you. Scorpio. The end of a the end of a tough cycle approaches. So definitely if you are going through some tough cycles in your life, it is going to be end in near future. Yeah, especially when full moon in Capricorn. Yeah, so you are going through something like depression, anxiety, Nine of Swords energy. Please don't worry, because the end of your tough cycle approaches. Definitely it is going to be end in near future, because this is the message from universe. So what I'm getting here, definitely you will get some communication from your person, and for some very few, maybe your person right now concentrating on their career. That's why they have so many responsibilities. Even though they want to come towards you, they are unable to come. For some, very few, this is very tough for them also. But what I'm getting here, for most of you, the Hierophant card is here. This is connection outcome. There will be reconciliation. So take what resonates. Definitely some communication is coming in your way. Yeah, they're going to be choose you. Very few, your person maybe leave you behind. But for some, you decided to move on from this person, but they're coming back. So this is the reading for you, Scorpio. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. And click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.